Hi my friends, welcome to another video. So today we're going to make a green juice. So one of the reasons why we advise to drink green juice is because of iron deficiency anemia, and it usually occurs during blood loss, pregnancy, breastfeeding, or when somebody has heavy menstrual flow or fibroid, whereby a woman loses a lot of blood, that more blood than necessary, so it leads to iron deficiency. Now when your doctor tells you that you are low in iron, or some of the symptoms too that can tell you even before you see your doctor is that you start feeling tired, you're feeling weak, and some of those symptoms. Anyway, once it is established that you are low in iron, some of the things you can do to regain your iron is by taking a lot of prune juice. You take pea protein shakes, cocoa and beef, liver smoothie, or you take a lot of meat proteins. And another easy and very pocket-friendly way is to take your green juice. And one of the very important greens that helps to boost your iron really, really fast and pocket friendly is spinach and kale, and that is what we just did here. So whenever you notice you're low, or even after your menstrual flow, if you're that kind of a woman that has heavy menstrual flow, I will strongly advise immediately after your menstrual period, do your body good, by making this green juice, or even if it's only spinach or only kale, but a combination of two of those vegetables will help you really, really good. So I thought I share, and that's me eating my vegetable soup with my swallow, and then my cup of juice is just by the side. So if you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, click on the like button, share, comment, subscribe if you have not done so. I will bring more videos on your way on healthy living, okay? And I will see you in another video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and be healthy, okay? Bye-bye.